All right, so let's talk about the LinkedIn lead generation system here. So this is going to be a three-step sales funnel process here where you have three separate steps, and I'm going to walk through that here in great detail. But what I want to do is kind of give you a quick overview of how this process works. So the biggest thing with LinkedIn is that people are on here to connect and engage with other individuals, right? People are on there to, see opportunities that may come about from just being on the platform, from, having a connection, a second and third connection from some individuals, so that there may be an opportunity to get a new job, a new sales opportunity, new clients, customers, whatever that may be, right? LinkedIn is the online networking platform that is just like, if you were going to a meetup, if you were going to a chamber of commerce, but everything is going on 24/7, right? And it's completely online. So once you understand that people are just really on LinkedIn to connect and network, they really want to know who you are and potentially do business with you, because the thing is, right? People on LinkedIn are not trying to get bombarded with messages, with different, sales tactics, all this stuff. And this is stuff that I see on a daily basis. I have people that contact me all the time, sending me messages, connections. And the first message they send me is a complete sales message. There's no communication as far as like, hey, this is who I am. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey, just wanted to quickly connect with you. That's the problem. It's just like with dating. This is a great example because I love to give the example of dating in the actual real personal world, and then dating, so to speak, in the business world, where you need to treat this like if you were trying to attract the opposite sex. You need to be asking questions, learning more about that other individual to see if there may be a mutual synergies there, interest, connections, not trying to come in and just right away, right out of the gate, trying to pitch and sell. I get those messages all the time and I ignore them because they don't really know what they're doing. They don't understand the true value of LinkedIn, that it's about, building relationships. It's about connecting with people and starting conversations that are engaging, right? And then also providing value. So with the whole people love to buy but hate to get sold, I mean, this is so true, right? Nobody likes to get sold on any of the products and services that people have, but they love to purchase them. And oftentimes what happens is people will make the purchases and they'll do it from an emotional state, but they'll justify it logically. And you do that by being able to provide, the right kind of marketing, the right kind of messages. And our three-step sales funnel takes the selling out of the process and lets your well-optimized profile do the selling for you, right? It's an indirect method. And I'm going to go over this particular indirect method. And then also I'm going to show you a little bit more of a semi-direct method that also works. And so they both work as far as for generating leads and opportunities, but it all depends on the particular market, which one's going to work the best. So I highly recommend test both of them out.